Hello, my dear friends. So, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. Nothing, okay? Nothing. In Gujarati, we say kasu nahi. Nothing. In Gujarati, we say kasu nahi. Nobody. Koi nahi. For nobody, in Gujarati, we say koi nahi. Koi nahi. Enough. ઘણું or પૂરતું ઘણું or પૂરતું. For enough in Gujarati we say ઘણું or પૂરતું. Almost લગભગ લગભગ. For almost in Gujarati we say લગભગ. I am repeating. Nothing, કશું નહીં, nobody, કોઈ નહીં, enough, ઘણું, almost, લગભગ. Now let's see sentences of each word so that you can understand better. So as you can see, I have trained my chat GPT in a way so that I can make you understand in a proper way by giving sentences. So if you see here, first sentence is, our first word was nothing, and the sentence I have created through chat GPT is I have nothing. So in Gujarati we can say મારી પાસે કશું નથી. Okay, for nothing in Gujarati we say કશું નહીં. Okay, કશું નહીં. And here the sentence is I have nothing. Okay, I have nothing. I means મારી. Okay, I have together means મારી પાસે. I have together મારી પાસે. Nothing means કશું નથી. Okay, કશું નહીં, કશું નથી. Both are same, but according to sentence, here we should use નથી. And when we can use nahi, for example, we simply want to, for example, if I am asking you what are you doing, and when you say nothing, that time in Gujarati we say kasu nahi. I am not doing anything. Kasu nahi. But when it's about to say certain sentence like this, then you should say kasu nathi. I don't have anything. મારી પાસે કશું નથી. Okay, now our next word was nobody. Okay, let me give nobody. Okay, our next word is nobody. So we got the sentence over here is nobody is here. So in Gujarati we say અહીંયા કોઈ નથી. Okay, nobody. Nobody means કોઈ નહીં. Nobody means કોઈ નહીં. Okay, when I want to simply say, for example, if I am asking is there anyone in room, and you can simply answer me in Gujarati કોઈ નહીં. Okay, કોઈ નથી. So if the sentence here is, we can say nobody is here. Okay, so we can say nobody means કોઈ નહીં. અહીંયા કોઈ નથી. અહીંયા, here means અહીંયા. Sorry, my bad. Here means અહીંયા. અહીંયા કોઈ નથી. Okay, અહીંયા કોઈ નથી. અહીંયા કોઈ નહીં. Both you can use, but if it is simple single word you want to reply, that time you can say koi nahi. But if it is sentence and you want to answer in a proper way, then you can say અહીંયા કોઈ નથી. અહીંયા કોઈ નથી. Our next word is enough. Okay. Now the sentence we got is that's enough. You know, when we angry, when we mad or someone, that time we usually say that's enough. So in Gujarati we can say bus, ઘણું થયું. Okay, bus means that we are stopping that person like full stop or in a way. Bus, ઘણું થયું. That's enough. Okay, enough means ઘણું. Enough means ઘણું. Okay, let me ask to give another sentence. Can you give me another sentence related to shopping? I bought enough clothes. Okay, I bought enough clothes. So if you remember, enough means ઘણું or પૂરતું. ઘણું or પૂરતું. So here if you see, the chat gpt have used another word which is પૂરતું. I bought enough clothes. So here you can say મેં ઘણા કપડા લીધા. That also you can say. Now ઘણું and ઘણા. Okay, when you want to say kapda, so see this word is kapda, so that time you should say ghana. મેં ઘણા કપડા લીધા. Okay, now if it is water, water means pani. In Gujarati, water means pani. So that time you cannot say મેં ઘણા પાણી પીધા. No, you should say મેં ઘણું પાણી પીધું. I have drink enough water. So understand the sentence style also. Okay, for kapda which is a different entity, that time we can say મેં ઘણા કપડા લીધા. I bought enough clothes. I means મેં, bought means લીધા or ખરીદ્યા, both will work. Clothes means kapda and enough means ઘણા. But when it is pani, water, and the sentence is like, for example, I have drink enough water, that time you should say મેં ઘણું પાણી પીધું. That time you cannot say ઘણા પાણી પીધું. No, you should say મેં ઘણું પાણી પીધું. So understand the wordings sentence wise it's changed. But don't worry about it. As I said, if you keep watching my video, you will understand it better way. Now let's back to the another word which is almost. Almost. Okay, so the sentence which we received is I almost finished shopping. મારી shopping લગભગ પૂરી થઈ. Okay, I almost finished shopping. I means, so here I represents mari. Okay, my shopping is finished. So mari, okay, almost means lagbhag. Almost means lagbhag. Okay, shopping finished means mari shopping lagbhag finished means puri thai. Okay, if I want to say finished, so I can say puri thai. Mari shopping lagbhag puri thai. Okay, I have finished my shopping. Let me ask to give another sentence. Can you give another generic sentence on this? Yes. So the another one which is very easy. I am almost ready. In Gujarati we say હું લગભગ તૈયાર છું. હું લગભગ તૈયાર છું. Okay. હું for I in Gujarati we say હું લગભગ. This is the our keyword. Okay, means almost. I am almost ready. Okay. Okay, tayyar means ready. When we want to say હું તૈયાર, I am getting ready. I am getting ready. So in Gujarati you can say હું. For ready we can say હું તૈયાર થાઉં છું. હું તૈયાર થાઉં છું. So this is how you can say, this is how you can use almost word. So my dear friends, today we learn four new words and sentences related to it. I am repeating: nothing, કશું નહીં, nobody, કોઈ નહીં, enough, ઘણું, almost, લગભગ. So to learn Gujarati in detail, subscribe my YouTube channel and we'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Jai Shri Krishna.